Hello, my name is Cara Ryman, and I'm the Youth Services Specialist for the Maine State Library. I am very excited to share this severe weather and climate engagement kit with you. This kit was created in partnership with the Healing Library and funded by Learning Ecosystems Northeast project from NASA. An amazing group of people contributed to this work. The work was led by the founder and director of the Healing Library, Megan Shadlick, and the following folks. Cash Daniels, Youth Conservation Specialist and founder of the Conservation Kid and the Cleanup Kids. Dr. Emily Diamond from the Wright Institute, Berkeley, Director of the Health Inequality Studies Group and author of Basic Disaster Preparedness for the Western States. Leslie Davenport, climate psychology educator and consultant and author of All the Feelings Under the Sun. Selena Farmer, a licensed professional counselor. Kelly Sensor, Programming and Community Engagement Coordinator for Loudoun County Public Library and a Virginia Master Naturalist. Megan Slade, a licensed mental health counselor and contributor to the Climate Mental Health Network. And of course, myself.
While this kit cannot make all the worries and experiences of severe storms go away, it can help families down a path to healing by offering books to share and empathize with, guiding discussions to ensure everyone feels heard and understood, providing activities of emotional exploration for families, suggesting acts of kindness to take away the powerless feelings, sharing community helpers so families know where to start reaching out for continued help. Together, all these pieces start families down a path of healing of their own design, a path that will be different for everyone. By offering this kit, you are not taking the place of a therapist. You are merely providing a curated set of resources designed by professionals to aid your community members. The kit is set up in 3 sections: before an event, during an event, and after an event. Each section contains a discussion guide, some healing activities, a list of acts of kindness related to the subject, a list of community helpers to reach out to, picture books with discussion question prompts, and a list of more book titles if you're interested in further reading. Every kit contains a librarian guide, which is for you to keep and helps with some recommendations on how to manage the kit. For example, it lists each activity and what supplies are needed to do it, a list of the reproducible pages that you want to check and see if they need replacing, and the reproducible pages themselves, and notes about what to do when the kit is returned. Each discussion guide contains a wide array of topics. This before an event discussion guide offers suggestions for preparing to talk, ensuring you're using correct information, ideas on starting the conversation, advice on how much information to share, tools for talking about emotions, and much more. The kindness sections share ideas on activities you can do in your local community, from listing organizations to volunteer with, to planting, participating in community science, and examples of other fun ideas. Community Helpers has ideas of organizations and types of people in community that you can reach out to if you'd like to volunteer to be a helper, or people who are helpers that you can talk with your child about. Next, we have books to share and discuss. The titles have been vetted by the kit creators. Here are 2 examples of what this looks like. This first spread is from the book The Wild by Yuval Zamar, pages 5 and 6, and the text says, "The wild was vast. It stretched from the shallow shore to the deep ocean." And the discussion questions listed are, "That's true. The wild can be land, water, even sky." "Now I see a lot of water creatures. What do you see?" Or, "Do any of the wild's body parts look different when they're in the water? Are they still made of the same things, or are they made of different things now?" This next spread is from the book The Longest Storm by Dan Yaccarino. The text says, "There was nothing to do and too much time to do it." And the discussion options are, do you ever feel that way when you need to stay indoors? What else do you feel during a big storm? Do you want to show me on the emotions wheel? I see a bunch of different ways to have fun when you're inside on these pages. Which of these do you like to do? Answers to this particular question may give you a helpful information about what to put into your go bag to keep your child entertained during a big storm. It also mentions the option of addressing the leaky roof specifically by saying, "Look at that, they have a leaky roof just like us." As many of us live in places that need repairs and simply have not had them, or other times a storm might show us something about our home that needs to be repaired. If safe, your child could help you maintain things during the storm, like grabbing a fresh bowl to put under a leak, drying the floor together, etc. These may become part of their jobs as discussed in the healing activities section. And finally, each section contains more book titles for children, teens, and adults if you would like to do more reading on the topic.
I hope by this point that you're excited to download the toolkit and explore it more fully. You can access it by using this QR code or bit.ly link. You can download it right to your computer. You have options as to how to use this toolkit. You can build a version of this kit for your library to lend. You can directly share the digital document with families, or kits will be available for sale on the Healing Library's website. To receive an email when those are available, simply reach out to them at thehealinglibraryus@gmail.com to be added to the list. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly at cara.ryman@maine.gov, spelling on your screen. Thank you.